Seniors who have not handled firearms but suddenly realize that just maybe this gun thing is a good idea, have a more difficult time learning handguns and shotguns and choosing a firearm with a good fit. But there are good choices. Today, at Handgunify, we came up with a list of the 20 best handguns for seniors in 2022. So, let's dig right into it. Number 20. Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield. Price, $499.99. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 3.1 inches. Overall length, 6.1 inches. Weight, 20.8 ounces. Capacity, 7+1 or 8+1. Number 19. Kimber Micro 9 Rapide. Price, $910. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 3.15 inches. Overall length, 6.1 inches. Weight, 15.6 ounces. Capacity, 7+1. Number 18. Sig P238 Nitron Micro Compact. Price, $619. Caliber, .380 auto. Barrel length, 2.7 inches. Overall length, 5.5 inches. Weight, 15.2 ounces. Capacity, 6+1 or 7+1. Number 17. Glock 43. Price, $448. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 3.39 inches. Overall length, 6.26 inches. Weight, 17.95 ounces. Capacity, 6+1. Number 16. Taurus TH9. Price, $319.99. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 4.27 inches. Overall length, 7.72 inches. Weight, 28.2 ounces. Capacity, 17+1. Number 15. Smith & Wesson Shield Easy. Price, $454. Caliber, .380 ACP. Barrel length, 3.67 inches. Overall length, 6.7 inches. Weight, 18.5 ounces. Capacity, 8+1. Number 14. Walther CCP M2. Price, $295. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 3.54 inches. Overall length, 6.41 inches. Weight, 22.33 ounces. Capacity, 8+1. Number 13. Walther PK380. Price, $359. Caliber, .380 ACP. Barrel length, 3.66 inches. Overall length, 6.2 inches. Weight, 18 ounces. Capacity, 8+1. Number 12. Kel-Tec PMR-30. Price, $450. Caliber, .22 WMR. Barrel length, 4.3 inches. Overall length, 7.9 inches. Weight, 13.6 ounces. Capacity, 30+1. Number 11. Ruger SR22. Price, $579. Caliber, .22 LR. Barrel length, 3.5 inches. Overall length, 6.4 inches. Weight, 17.5 ounces. Capacity, 10+1. Number 10. Smith & Wesson Model 351C. Price, $749. Caliber, .22 Magnum. Barrel length, 1.875 inches. Overall length, 6.25 inches. Weight, 11.5 ounces. Capacity, 7. Number 9. Heritage Rough Rider Revolver. Price, $149.99. Caliber, .22 LR. Barrel length, 4.75 inches. Overall length, 10.03 inches. Weight, 33.4 ounces. Capacity, 6. Number 8. Ruger Standard Model 3600. Price, $549. Caliber, .22 LR. Barrel length, 3.5 inches. Overall length, 6.4 inches. Weight, 17.5 ounces. Capacity, 10 plus 1. Number 7. Springfield XDE, 3.3 inches barrel version. Price, $539.99. Caliber, 9mm and .45 ACP. Barrel length, 3.3 inches. Overall length, 6.75 inches. Weight, 25 ounces. Capacity, 8 plus 1 or 9 plus 1 for 9mm and 6 plus 1 or 7 plus 1 for .45 ACP. Number 6. Glock 26. Price, $499 to $599.99. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 3.43 inches. Overall length, 6.5 inches. Weight, 21.52 ounces. Capacity, 10 plus 1, 12 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 19 plus 1, 24 plus 1, 31 plus 1, or 33 plus 1. Number 5. Sig Sauer P225. Price, $819.99. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 3.9 inches. Overall length, 7.1 inches. Weight, 26.1 ounces. Capacity, 8 plus 1. Number 4. Ruger SP101. Price, $889. Caliber, 9mm, .357 Magnum, or 38 Special. Barrel length, 2.25 inches. Overall length, 7.2 inches. Weight, 26 ounces. Capacity, 5 rounds for all cartridges. Number 3. Kimber Pro-Carry II. Price, $951. Caliber, 9mm and .45 ACP. Barrel length, 4 inches. Overall length, 7.7 inches. Weight, 28 ounces. Capacity, 8 plus 1. Number 2. Springfield Range Officer Compact. Price, $924. Caliber, .45 ACP. Barrel length, 4 inches. Overall length, 7.6 inches. Weight, 29 ounces. Capacity, 6. Number 1. Sig Sauer P250. Price, $575. Caliber, 9mm. Barrel length, 3.9 inches. Overall length, 7.2 inches. Weight, 24.6 ounces. Capacity, 15 or 16 rounds. So, when it comes to pistols for senior citizens, which handgun do you trust? Also, if you are a senior citizen, please recommend others and share your experiences about the best handgun so that others can make an informed decision when purchasing one. So there you have it. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Until next time.